Yo, what is up, guys? My name is Adventure Spencer, whatever you'd like to call me. And today, I'm doing a video on this knife I got. This is my butterfly knife made by Benchmade. Now, if you don't know, Benchmade is a very good company. And I already opened it. It comes in this nice little black box, lifetime warranty. Comes in this plastic wrap, and here it is. Now, here it is. I learned some tricks with this. I guess I'll just show you them right here. Here, let me just, there we go. So here it is. Just a basic opening. Basic closing. The extended opening. And then my favorite, this one, I don't even know what that's called. And then one I'm trying to learn, the Zen rollover. One sec, let me just tilt this down a little bit. Hopefully that does not topple over. Alright, and what I'm trying to learn, where it's a Zen rollover, basically. It's used in Team Fortress 2. Basically, it would go like that. I've gotten pretty decent at doing this, so far. I don't think I'm that bad. Now, a few problems with the knife. First off, all the screws aren't tightened when you get it. A buddy of mine, you know, Matt, had his brother has the same one as this, and his handle screw got messed up, and my latch screw fell right off when I got it, when I was flipping it. But I found the latch screw in the latch, fortunately, and I tightened everything. So this is just loads of fun to play with. If you're half decent at it. Like, every screw was really loose. And it's just a whole lot of fun to just twirl around, show off, I guess. I'm going to try to learn more tricks. I'll do an update video on this because basically right now I know a couple of them. Now this first one, I gotten into a habit of doing that and closing it. So it's kind of hard for me to do it now. So you just go like that, back, open, there you go. Very simple. Cool knife. Benchmade makes really nice knives. Yeah, so I'm not horrible at this. I'm not a master by, like, no, I'm not. But I'm better than most. I could do this legitimately for hours. Actually, I've been doing this for hours. It's gotten a little bit of wear on it. On the handle right here. It's gotten some wear on the blade. When I'm done with this thing, it's probably gonna have so much wear on it. I'm gonna try again. The Zen rollover. Oh, it's quite hard when you're just learning it. Basically, I would have to flip it over my thumb, grab it again, and then just push it back up, but I like to do this. Double it up, makes it look a little bit more fancy. You know, you can just do continuous tricks. No, it's just a whole lot of fun, and you can't cut yourself with this. So, I wouldn't bring this to a school or anything, of course. It's a replica blade. That goes without saying. And there are thousands of different tricks you can learn for these things. Now, yeah, why do this when you can get a real knife for about the same price? You know, because tell me, can you do this with a regular knife? Do not start with a regular balisong because you will cut yourself. Oop. And it's almost a guarantee you will drop the blade every once in a while. Okay, so this has just been me twirling it around. Yes, I know I might get comments. I've been using the bite handle every once in a while. But for this thing, it doesn't really matter. They're both the safety handles, considering. It's not a good habit to get into by any means. But yeah, I'm just going to go over all the tricks I know one last time. Okay, basic. The basic, I don't know what it's called. I don't really know the names for these. This one's supposed to go like this. Just like that. This one. And then my good old favorite. And then I'll just attempt a Zen rollover. That was pretty good. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. Wow, 7 minutes of me flipping a butterfly knife. My name has been Avenged, or Spencer, whatever you'd like to call me. I'll have an update video when I learn more about what to do with this. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.